Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix crashing, freezing and performance issue with Bloodhunt game on your computer. Now the first step is to launch the game with DX11 settings. For this, go ahead and copy this, that is -DX11. Go to the Steam, make a right click on the Bloodhunt game and then select properties, and in the launch option you can go ahead and type in -DX11 and then you can go ahead and try to launch the game. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and disable DX12. For this, go to this location, so open your file explorer and then go to this PC, open your C drive, then open the users folder, then open your username folder and then open AppData. Now if you don't see AppData over here, go to view and then put a check on the box which says hidden items. So put a check over here, then you should be able to see AppData. Open AppData folder and then open the local folder, scroll down. Now over here you can see the Tiger folder. Open the Tiger folder and then open the saved folder and then open the config folder and then open WindowsNoEditor folder and then make a right click on GameUserSettings.ini file and then make a right click, then select open with, then open with notepad. Now over here you can see this be prefer D3 D12 in game. So you have to, in your case it will be set to true, so you have to go ahead and change it to false. So go ahead and type in false over here and then click on file, then click on save, and after you save this you can go ahead and try to launch the game. Now the next step is to close overlay and overclocking applications. So if you have any overlay application, go ahead and close it. Now first of all, go to the Steam, make a right click on the Bloodhunt game, then select properties and then uncheck the option which says enable Steam overlay while in game. So if this is checked, go ahead and uncheck it and then try to launch the game. Now if you have any other overlay application running on the computer, go ahead and close it. So if you have Discord running on the computer, go ahead and close Discord. Now if you have GeForce Experience running on the computer, go ahead and close GeForce Experience. So close all the overlay application, also close all the overclocking applications, so do not overclock. And if you have MSI Afterburner running the computer, go ahead and close MSI Afterburner. Now in case if you have Riva Tuner running in the computer, go ahead and close Riva Tuner. So close all the overclocking application. Now allow the game file to your antivirus program. So make sure that you allow your game.exe file to your antivirus program. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So if you have any third-party antivirus, just allow the game files. And in case if you're using Windows security, then go to the start menu, then click on settings, go to update and security, click on update and security and then click on Windows security. Now click on virus and threat protection. Now scroll down over here, you can see manage ransomware protection, click on it, then click on allow an app through control folder access, then click on yes to allow and then click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps and then go to the game installation folder. So open the Steam library folder, then open Steam apps, then open the common folder, then open the Bloodhunt folder and then you have to go ahead and select the tiger.exe file and then click on open and then go again and this time open the Tiger folder, open the binaries folder, open Win64, select Tiger Win64, add it over here. Now once the game.exe files are added over here, you can go ahead and try to launch the game and that should go ahead and fix the problem. Now still you are facing the problem. In that case you can go ahead and remove GraphicsSettings.json file. Again for this, go to the same location. So open your, go to this PC, open C drive, then open users, then open your username folder, then open AppData folder and then open the local folder. Again scroll down, find Tiger, open the Tiger folder, then open the settings this time and then make a right click on graphics settings and then click on delete and then try to launch the game. Now the next step is to delete the config file this time. So again go to the same location, so open the local folder this time, then open the Tiger folder. Now open the saved folder and this time delete this config file, make a right click, then click on delete and then try to launch the game. Now the next step is to update your Windows to the latest version. So for Windows 10 users, you can go ahead and update your Windows 10 to the latest version. For this, go to the start menu and then click on the settings icon, then go to update and security, and then click on Windows Update, then click on Check for Update. And if you face any problem while updating your Windows 10, in that case you can go ahead and download Media Creation Tool. So click on, this link is provided in the video description. Open Media Creation Tool, click on Download Tool now, and then run this exe file. Then you will see this screen. Click on Accept, then click on Upgrade this PC now would be selected by default. So click on Next, and this will go ahead and download the Windows 10 along with the latest update. Now this process will take some time. Now during the update you will see this. Before the installation you will see this option which says keep my personal files and app, and by default this option would be checked. Now when this is checked you will not lose any data on the computer. So click on Install, and after the installation you can go ahead and try to launch the game. The next step is to do a clean installation of your graphics driver. So if you have NVIDIA, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD, go to AMD website. So I'm showing for NVIDIA. So go to NVIDIA website, select your graphic card from the list. Make sure that you select your operating system over here. Then click on Search. Then click on Download. And then click on Download once again. And once the download is complete, run the exe file. And then you will see the screen. So click on Agree and Continue. Then put a check on the box which says Custom. Then click on Next. And then put a check on the box which says Perform a clean installation. Then click on Next. And after the clean installation, you can go ahead and try to launch the game. Now the next step is for users who has N version of Windows 10. So if you have N version of Windows 10, you have to go ahead and install this Windows Media Player and Media Feature Pack. So for this, go to Start menu, then click on Settings, and then click on Apps. Now click on Apps and Features, and then you have to go ahead and click on Optional Features. Now over here you have to go ahead and click on Add a Feature, and you have to go ahead and install Media Feature Pack. First of all, you have to install Windows Media Player. So in my case, I don't see Windows Media Player over here because it's already been installed. Over here you can see Windows Media Player is already installed right now. So when I'm searching over here, I am not able to find it. So if you find Windows Media Player, search it over here and then put a check on the box, then click on Install. Now you also have to go ahead and find Media Feature Pack. So instead of once you download Windows Media Player, you have to go ahead and install Media Feature Pack. So again you have to click on Add a Feature. Click on Add a Feature over here, and then you have to go ahead and find Media Feature Pack. In my case, I don't have N version of Windows 10, so that's why I don't see Media Feature Pack. If you have N version of Windows 10, you will find Media Feature Pack over here. Then put a check on the box, then click on Install, and after the install, restart your computer and then try to launch the game. Now the next step is to verify the game files. So go to Steam, make a right click on Bloodhunt game, then click on Properties, and then go to the Local Files tab, then click on Verify Integrity of Game Files, and after the verification, try to launch the game. Next step is to install Visual C++ file. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see Visual Studio 2015, 17 and 19. Install both x86 and x64. So click on both the exe file, and once the download is complete, run both the exe file. Now you will see Repair or Install. So you have to go ahead and click on Repair or Install, whatever you see. Click on Yes to allow. Run the second file as well. So you will see a Repair or Install. So whatever you see, click on Yes to allow and let the installation complete. And once the installation is complete, you can go ahead and restart your computer. So let both the installation complete, and then you can go ahead and restart your computer. So you have to wait for this to complete. Only then you restart the computer. So click on Restart Now, or you can close this box and then go to the Start menu, click on the power icon, then click on Restart. And after the system restart, try to launch the game. The next step is for laptop users with dual graphic card. So if your computer has a dual graphic card, make sure that you're running the game on the dedicated graphic card. So go ahead and type in Graphics Settings in Windows search box, and then click on Graphics Settings, and then click on Browse, and then go to the game installation folder. So again, open the Steam library folder, Steam Apps, Common, open the Bloodhunt folder, and then select the exe file, then click on Add. Once this is added, click on Options, select High Performance, then click on Save. Again, click on Browse, and then open the Tiger folder, Binaries, Win64, select this exe file, and then click on Add. And once this is added, click on Options, High Performance, Save, and then try to launch the game. The next step is to run the game as an administrator. Also try to launch the game from game installation folder. For this, again make a right click on the game, click on manage, then click on browse local files. It will straight away take you to the game installation folder. So you have to go ahead and make a right click on the tiger.exe, then select properties, then go to the compatibility, put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, put a check over here, then click on apply, OK. Do the same thing with this file. So open the tiger folder, binaries win64, make a right click on the exe file, select properties, compatibility, and then put a check on the box which says run this program as an administrator, then click on apply, OK, and then try to launch the game. And try to launch the game from the installation folder. And next step is to perform clean boot. To perform clean boot, go ahead and type in system configuration in Windows search box and then click on system configuration. Go to the services tab and then put a check on the box which says hide all Microsoft services. So first of all, put a check over here first, then click on disable all. In my case, it's grayed out. In your case, it will be highlighted. So click on disable all, but make sure that you put a check over here first, then click on disable all, then click on apply, OK, and then restart your computer and then try to launch the game. Also make sure that you close all the background applications. So if you have any other application running on the computer, go ahead and close all the background application. Make sure only the Steam and the game is running, and then you can go to start menu, click on settings, and in the search box you can go ahead and type in background apps and then click on background apps and then turn this off if this is on. Now the next step is to try window mode and lower down graphics settings. So you can try to play the game in window mode and go to in-game graphics settings and then try to lower down graphics. So you can, if it is set to very high or ultra, you can go ahead and select high, medium, or even low. So for many users, selecting the lower graphics settings has fixed the problem. So you can go ahead and try to lower down the graphics settings. And if nothing is working, you can go ahead and uninstall the game. So again, if nothing is working, you can make a right click on the game in Steam, then select manage, then click on uninstall. And after you uninstall, delete the game folder in Steam library and then restart your computer and then reinstall the game. And that should go ahead and help you to get the game running successfully on your computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.